Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video I'm going to show you how to use this corner roller. Let's do this. Let's get this thing loaded. Just like a normal roller, it takes 2 or 3 dips of loading it and using it and loading it and using it for the roller to get fully primed. Where the wall and ceiling meets in that internal, apply the roller. But when you first put the roller on the wall after loading it up, just do it slowly so the paint doesn't flick off everywhere. So you load your roller up and repeat the process again. The roller can't get right into the corners, so just stab the corners in with a brush. But what else this roller's good for is doing internal corners of walls as well. Now I've loaded this roller up 3 times. This roller is nicely primed now and it's carrying plenty of paint. But like I say, once you've loaded it, start off slow, and then once you've started off slow and got the thickest off onto the wall, you can then speed up a little bit, and don't forget to stab in your corners. If you would like to purchase a corner roller similar to this one, please click in the link in the description below. Also, please feel free to check out my tool store. The link is also in the description below. And that, guys, is how you use a corner roller. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you want to be notified of any future videos, please smash that notification bell. Thank you very much for watching.